Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to download and install Redis. Redis is an open source in-memory data structure store used as a database cache and message broker. It supports data structures such as strings, hashes, lists, sets. So first we are going to download it. And to download, you can go to redis.io and you can see the download link over here under the download it. I'm just gonna copy this one and go to my terminal and use wget to download this file. I will move to or change my directory to downloads, and over here I'm going to download that file by using wget and then paste the URL of that file and just paste it and enter, and the download is started. Now the download is complete. We need to extract by using tar xbcf, and then the file name. I will copy that name from here and just right click on it and copy it and then paste it. Now need to move into this. I will list the content of a download folder and see the directory name that we extracted. This is Redis, this one over here. I need to copy this one and move into it. I'm just gonna copy and do cd and then space and paste it. Need a space after cd so we can change into this directory, and just do ls to make sure we have all those files that we need. Now, now I need to execute make command to build our project, and it will compile all those files for us. The compilation is finished. Now we can install it. I will clear the screen first and then type command to install. To install, need to type sudo make install. Hit enter. And just clear. And now need to start a Redis server. To start our Redis server, we need to run command Redis and then dash, then server, and enter. You can see the message over here, ready to accept connections. Now I'm going to start a Redis client on other terminal. Just open another terminal window and type Redis CLI, and we can just type ping and send to server, and we get the response from the server pong. So our client and server both are working. With Redis, we can work with the key value. I'm going to set the key, my key to value car, and hit enter, and we can see the message okay. And to get my key, I'm going to type get and my key name, and the value will be returned, that is car. Just hit enter and you can see the car is returned. This way we can save a key value pair in Redis. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. A sim code keeps supporting me, and thank you for watching.